Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the various forms of the equation of line. First of all, we should know how to find the equation of horizontal and vertical lines. If a line is parallel to x-axis and is drawn at a distance a above x-axis, then it means every point on the line will be at a distance a from x-axis. So the equation of line becomes y is equal to a. If this line is drawn below the x-axis at distance of a, then the equation of line becomes y equal to minus a. If the lines are vertical and they are drawn at a distance b from y-axis towards right side, then the equation of this line will be x equal to b, because every point on this line will be at a distance b from y-axis. If it is drawn on the left at the same distance, then the equation of this vertical line will be x equal to minus b. For example, this is the question: find the equation of the lines parallel to axis and passing through the minus 2, 3. Line is passing through minus 2, 3. So one vertical line and one horizontal line. The equation of line parallel to y-axis will be x equal to minus 2, because it is x coordinate is minus 2. It means this line is passing through x equal to minus 2. Its y coordinate is 3. It means this line is passing through y equal to 3. So the equation of this horizontal line will be y equal to 3. Now next is point slope form. Point slope form मतलब कि अगर हमें लाइन का स्लोप गिवन है और एक पॉइंट लाइन पर गिवन है, तो हम लाइन की इक्वेशन कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे. So for that, suppose p0, x0, y0 is the point on the line and the slope of the line is m, and this line is passing through the point p xy. Then this is the general point we have taken on the line. Then using the concept that when 2 points on the line are given, we can find their slope by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास 2 पॉइंट क्या हैं, xy और x0 y0. तो स्लोप जो है m can be written as equal to y minus y0 upon x minus x0. After cross multiplying, we get y minus y0 equal to m into x minus x0. So this is the equation of line in when a point on the line x0 y0 is given and the slope m is also given. Next one is example एक देखते हैं इसका. So we have to find the equation of line through minus 2, 3 with slope minus 4. So this is x0 y0 and this is m. So using y minus y0 means y minus 3 equal to slope m into x minus x0, so it becomes x plus 2. So after simplifying, we get the equation as 4x plus y plus 5 equal to 0. Now the 2-point form. 2-point form means when the 2 points on the line are given, then how to find the equation of line. So suppose 2 points are x1 y1 and x2 y2 on the line. We have to find the equation of line. So we'll take the general point on the line p xy. Now since these 3 points they are collinear, so slope of p1p is equal to slope of p1 p2, and slope of p1p is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1, and slope of p1 p2 is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So after cross multiplying, we get y minus y1 equal y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is the general form of the equation of line in this case. Next is an example based on it. Write the equation of line through the points 1, -1 and 3, 5. तो यहाँ ये x1 y1 हो गया हमारा और x2 y2 3, 5. So the equation of line is y plus 1, because y minus of -1 becomes plus 1, equal to y2 minus y1 means 5 minus of -1, that is 5 plus 1, divided by 3 minus 1, that is 2, into x minus x1, that is x minus 1. After simplifying, we get minus 3x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. Now the slope intercept form. Slope intercept form means when the slope of the line is given and the intercept of the line with the x-axis or y-axis is given. Now what is intercept? Intercept means if a line is, suppose, intersecting x and y axis, suppose it is intersecting the y axis at a distance c from an origin and the x axis at a distance d, then this c and d, that is the point where it intersects the x and y axis, its distance from origin is called its intercept. Now here we have taken the intercept on y axis at c and on z x axis as d. Now if the intercept on y axis is c, it means this point will be 0, c, because it is lying on y axis, so x coordinate is 0. And so the equation of line becomes y minus y1, that is y minus c, equal to m into x minus x1, that is x minus 0, using point slope form. So from here we get y equal to mx plus c. So this is the standard form of the equation of line in this case. Now if the line is having x intercept as d, then the coordinates of this point will be 0, minus d, 0, d. So the equation of line is 0, d, 0, minus d, 0. So the equation of line in this case becomes y equal to m x minus d. Now an example based on it. Write the equation of line for which tan theta is half, where theta is the inclination of line and y intercept is minus 3/2, x intercept is 4. So tan theta is half means slope of the line is half, m is half. Y intercept means c is minus 3/2. So the equation of line is y equal to half x minus x1. So it becomes x plus half. So y equal to mx plus c होता है equation in the slope intercept form. So m is half into x minus 3/2. सिंप्लीफाई करके 2y माइनस एक्स प्लस 3 इक्वल टू 0 आएगा. और जब x इंटरसेप्ट गिवन हो तो इक्वेशन होती है हमारे पास y इक्वल टू m, सो हाफ इंटू x माइनस d, दैट इज x माइनस 4. सो वी गेट 2y माइनस एक्स प्लस 4 इक्वल टू 0. The last form, intercept form में both the x and y intercepts, if they are given as a and b, then what is the equation of line? So if the x intercept is a, then the coordinates of this point will be a, 0, and y intercept is b, so the coordinates of this point will be 0, b, because it is lying on y axis, so x coordinate will be 0. So using the 2-point form of the line, we can write the equation of the line as y minus y naught, that is y1, that is 0, equal to y2 minus y1, b minus 0 हो गया, और x2 minus x1 means 0 minus a, into x minus x1, so x minus a, और क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके सिंप्लीफाई करके we get x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. So this is the intercept form of the equation of line. That's all for today. Thank you.